Hi, my name is Allan. I'm 68 years old, and I've been living here in Chiang Mai with my wife for some time now. For the red light therapy, actually, I was not really very familiar with that, but because of a condition I'd been suffering with, I drove by Boston Health Clinic quite often, and so I thought I'll drop in and check this place out. 3 years ago, I had been taking some supposed health product, and it really upset my immune system to the point that my whole body was red and inflamed and leaking liquid. And I ended up going to three different hospitals and doctors, but they all prescribed the same thing, a immune suppressant drug, which would help for a little while, but it didn't solve the problem. I came to the Boston Health Clinic and started the red light therapy. And right from the very first time that I used it, I noticed a difference. The red, the inflammation, there was a noticeable difference right from the very first time. And so that sold me. My immune system has improved so much. Before, I would have to be so careful, and even being careful, just eat the wrong thing, and my whole body would blow up in inflammation. Now, that doesn't happen anymore. I'm still trying to eat healthy and stuff like that, but yeah, I haven't had a problem like that for a long time now. This has been such a help and a blessing to me. My condition is almost gone. The two things that have really been good is getting rid of the skin problem, the inflammation, and also helping my immune system. But I know that the red light therapy is also good for other things as well.